Well, hello and welcome to the Bergendoff Hall of Fine Arts. My name is Sam Schlauch, and I'm a member of the advancement team here at Augustana College. It's great to have you here as part of our Blue, Gold, and Bold Challenge. Couple of days in March. We're doing so well with those gifts. Thank you so much to all who have given so far. We're excited to be in Bergendoff today because, as you probably know, we're coming up on a big renovation project here in Bergendoff Hall. And we're going to have a little demo today, a little demo day here at Augustana College. I've got three esteemed faculty members who are joining me today to really help take down this wall, if you know what I'm saying. They're going to get up here in a minute with some hammers, and it's hammer time, baby. We're taking this wall down, aren't we? They're looking at me like, what are you talking about, Sam? And I don't know, but we're going to have a good time. So we are backstage, really, from the old Potter Theater, if you're familiar with where we are in the building. Potter Theater, of course, was home to the theater department here at Augustana College for a number of years, and now they're across the street in the Bruner Theater complex. It's so great to have one of our theater arts professors here with us today to help take down this wall, because this was their home for such a long time. Now, what's really exciting is that this is going to be completely transformed in this area into the Julie Hammond Elliott performance space. It's going to be amazing, and we can't thank Julie enough for her lead gift of $1 million to get this project started. There's still time to give to help make everything a reality in this space, but without further ado, I think it's time to see if we can get some wood flying here. What do you guys think? Yeah. Okay, yeah. All right, so first up, we've got Jennifer Popple, we've got Margaret Ellis, and we've got Charlie Schmidt. What are you most excited about, especially Jennifer, you in this space where you used to work? How are you excited, or what are you most excited about to see change in the Bergendoff Hall renovations?
Yeah, I think, now that we've moved over to the Bruner Center, which we're so excited about and so grateful to Kim and Donna Bruner for that lead gift over there, I think I'm just excited to see this space transform and show us the potential that it has. Since we moved out, it's sort of been in an in-between space and function. And so I think we're just really excited to see the potential for it. There's so much potential. This is a great building, and seeing it now become what it's next going to be, I'm just really excited about.
All right, well, why don't we have you take the first swing? Okay. All right, put those safety glasses on. This is an OSHA compliant workspace for sure. We do not want to harm any faculty members. All right, Jennifer, take a swing. Let's see what you got. There we go. All right. Nice job. Way to represent theater arts. How'd it feel?
It was actually really cathartic, I have to say. We used to have our old, sort of dusty old theater books in here, and thankfully that's all going to go away because the books aren't here anymore. We're not here anymore. It can become something new. It was fun. I got to say, I recommend it.
All right. Well, there you go. A little therapy session happening here in the Bergendoff Hall of Fine Arts. I think, is Charlie going next? All right. Charlie has the little hammer. Dr. Charlie Schmidt, piano professor here at Augustana, great guy overall. Let's see what you can do. Let me ask you first, same question. What are you most excited?
I'm really excited about the new performance space, and I'm just excited that we're going to get a computer lab with updated equipment, a new piano lab with updated equipment as well. And I'm just excited that the building's going to finally get a new facelift after a long, long while. 1950s, just saying.
Right, but who's counting, right? No big deal. I know you've got some alumni who, like you for whatever reason that might be. Do you have anything to say to those alumni that are out there?
Thank you for your donations. Keep them coming.
All right, we like that. All right, well, Dr. Schmidt, let's see what you got.
Okay, now they picked the piano guy for this.
Yeah. You go wherever, yeah. There we go. Now we're talking. Okay. Wow. And that's a piano professor, everybody. That's amazing. Well, good job. Thank you, Dr. Schmidt. All right. Well, finally, we've got to now turn it over to Margaret Ellis. Margie, how you doing? You don't look nervous at all.
No, I'm excited.
Why are you excited?
Well, I've waited 30 years since I was a student here to see these renovations happen. I'm so excited about the students and what their excitement is going to mean to their new opportunities and the development and growth that we can see in them.
Absolutely. I think we're all excited for that. Just a quick reminder, if you haven't given yet, you can still give augustana.edu/bgbold, as well as I'm sure there's a link in the post that you're watching on. But we're going to watch now Margaret Ellis take a swing. You do whatever you want. Absolutely.
Bye-bye, Bergie.
All right. There we go. Bye-bye, Bergie. That's a nice... Are you going to write that? That's a good one. I like it. How did that feel?
Felt fantastic. 30 years. We're doing it, guys.
We're doing it. That's right, with your help. So thanks so much again. All right. Do we all want to get in one more time and take a swing? Yes. Now, be careful. I don't want... Don't want to go crazy here. Go high. Yep.
Charlie already demolished his part, but
Yeah, let's do 2 at a time. That way we're not... Woo! All right. See, everybody? It is happening. Bergendoff is happening. So we're excited to start phase 1 of the project here this summer, which is the Music Education Suite and this backstage here, and which will then become the Hammond Elliott Performance Space. Lots of exciting things to happen. Check out all the plans online. Thanks again for all of you who already have given to make this project a reality, especially to Julie Hammond and those that have given to the Hammond Elliott Challenge. We so appreciate it. And thanks again for watching. These guys I know are going to take some more aggression out, but we won't show that on camera. So thanks so much to our faculty. Thanks so much to you. Take care.